We are discussing fundamental right, freedom of association. अगर आर्टिकल 17 का बगौर मुतालिया किया जाए तो हमें पता चलता है कि देयर आर 3 फ्रीडम्स गारंटेड बाय आर्टिकल 17. वो कौन से 3 फ्रीडम्स हैं, आइए उनको देखते हैं. The Article 17 provides for the following 3 freedoms. पहला freedom जो है, that is freedom to form association. Second freedom जो है, that is freedom to form unions. और third freedom जो है, that is freedom to form political parties. My dear students, the first 2 freedoms are under the Pakistan Constitution, namely freedom to form association and freedom to form union, are subject to reasonable restrictions. ये reasonable का लफ्ज क्या बताता है? Reasonable से मुराद है logical, sensible या rational. Restriction से मुराद है limitations. Continue करते हैं. Subject to certain reasonable restrictions imposed by law in the interest of sovereignty or integrity of Pakistan, public order or morality. But third freedom is subject only to reasonable restrictions imposed by law in the interest of sovereignty or integrity of Pakistan. But third freedom is subject only to reasonable restrictions imposed by law in the interest of sovereignty or integrity of Pakistan. My dear students, the right to form associations, unions, and political parties for lawful purposes flows from the right to freedom of movement, the right to enter upon legal or lawful profession or occupation, the right to freedom of speech and expression, and the right to freedom of religion. My dear students, what a person may legally do alone, he may do this with the assistance and cooperation of others. Individuals have right to organize themselves into parties and even into special groups to advance cause and to circulate their views and difficulties and to advocate their cause in public assemblies. It is only when people combine together for illegal purposes that the law prohibits their association and creates vicarious liability for acts done by the others. यहाँ पर जो लफ्ज prohibit इस्तेमाल हुआ है, इसका मीनिंग है banned by law, और यहाँ पर जो दूसरा लफ्ज जिसके मायना मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहता हूं, that is vicarious liability. Now we proceed on to know what is meant by the term vicarious liability. Dear students, it is a liability that a supervisory party such as an employer bears for the actionable conduct of a subordinate or associate based on the relationship between the 2 parties.